It's like living a storybook adventure beyond your wildest imagination. From the North Pole of Fantasyland,
it begins with a little...
Shaky Jakey B.
I got into broadcasting because I like to give.
Hey, that's my cab!
What if I'm fat? What if my head's too big?
Stood there was my neighbor called Peter.
And a little magic.
This is a repeat after me song, so make sure you repeat everything I say and do.
A little dream.
Chicka-boom. 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 Chicka-rocka, chicka-rocka, chicka-boom. Chicka-rocka, chicka-rocka, chicka-boom. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Shaky Jakey B.
Pictures proudly presents a movie about a family.
into a fantastic crystal laboratory filled with weird and wonderful secrets no one has ever seen before. You'll see more wonders than you can wave a wand at as a dazzling panorama unfolds before your startled eyes.
Saturday and Sunday matinee only at a theater near you.